I want to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to replace the sheetrock when you have a leak in the ceiling, a leak in your roof. And I'll share different photos with you guys, but you don't have to replace the whole area. I'm gonna show you how to brace it where it'll be attached to some type of stud, or you'll have something to screw the sheetrock to. But as you can see, we replaced the decking. It was bad. I'll show you some tricks too on what to look for when you're looking at these roofs. So this will help you guys out. Hey guys, so we got our space opened up. We cleared out the rotten sheetrock. So I want to show you guys some tricks, old tricks that I learned way back in the day, working on these mobile homes, and it could help you out, especially when you're dealing with sheetrock, because you're always looking to have something to nail your sheetrock to, right? Something to secure it to. But what if you cut a hole and there's no stud here, right? I don't know if you can get this right here, but you can see I added this piece here because we have no stud, right? There's no rafter. If you look against the wall, there's nothing. I added another piece. I nailed it to the frame of the home to give me something to attach the sheetrock to. I don't have to worry here because I can use these rafters to secure the sheetrock to. So I'm gonna add another piece right here, so to give me something to secure the rafter. I mean the sheetrock here. And what you want to do is take your scrap piece of wood, however much you need. You want to put you one in the corners, that way your sheetrock doesn't sag in the corner. So I got one in this corner, I'll put one here, and I may add another piece here to secure the sheetrock too. So what you do is just put it on the edge where it can hold on to the existing piece of sheetrock, and you'll take your sheetrock screw or any wood screw, come here, you'll go through the sheetrock. There you go. It's secure. You want to come with another one right here, and right here you'll just cover this up when you mud it. When you mud the new piece. That way you can hide the screw and stuff. So that's a trick I learned a long time ago, where you can attach any piece of sheetrock, just cut out the bad area, and then to have something to secure it to, you attach a scrap piece of wood to the sheetrock. And you can do this in ceilings, you can do this in walls, where you don't always have to worry about the stud. You can always add wood to secure the sheetrock to. So I hope this helps you guys out. So guys, we got the sheetrock up, as you can see. Got everything secure. Here's another hack too. If you're working by yourself, you need an extra set of hands, you can build these little wooden, I call them wooden arms. Build it to the height that you need. And this part in the wall here, that's from when the roof was leaking. So we're gonna repair that also. But as you can see, we got the hole covered. And again, the gap, we're gonna cover that up with sheetrock and mud. I mean with tape and mud, so don't worry about the gaps, but this is how it looks. So hope this helps you out.